Laco filling station wey dey near Benin for Benin City don burn.
This is Laco filling station burning presently at New Benin.
New Benin Our tori person wey carry waka go find out how it take happen say some people say the tanker wey bring fuel for the station na catch fire as e dey offload, while some others get different story around them. The fire burned the filling station and the tanker, but e no enter other shops wey dey near am, and no casualty as the fire service people sharply stop the fire.
So we are in New Benin. We hear fire spark off. There's a tip lorry that was planning fuel. The next thing was across the road. We all there across the road, we hear the fire spark. Boom. So everybody ran down. So the manager was trying to ping fire discharge to off the fire. He can't do that. So we now try to inform the DPO of New Benin. DPO now inform the fire brigade, start quashing the fire. And we thank God for everything. The filling station closed there. There's Laco filling station, and they close to the market. So the fire brigade, they try their best. We very appreciate them. They do their best. The fire doesn't close to the market. It doesn't enter anywhere. It just only the filling station, the circle of the filling station. So we are very appreciate. Everybody, the fire brigade, everybody that came here, the DPO, everything, they try their best. They do enough. They do the best.
I was standing across the other side. The next thing we saw was fire. So we have to call fire brigade. And thank God they came immediately as they were called. So they were the one who really helped the situation. If not, maybe houses would have involved all the market. So I believe it was a spark that brought up the fire.
What happened today? You say, I come New Benin, I want to come buy food stuff. Now here I did, they buy my food stuff. So this motor now, they say some people wait day here, where they sell this in cloth, where they sell local. Now they come to talk say the motor carry fuel come. As he want supply the fuel, the motor they not switch on off. So the thing now come bring the fire because of this. You get one woman where they say something here, the thing come attack her. The fire from here come the cash. So we now we're inside market, and we can't leave wait till they buy. We can't see what they happen. Now because of the heatness of that, this thing, the fuel, we know fit drop body, we know fit come closer because the heatness too much. So the thing just pain everybody. Even some people, their business, they don't burn her, the fire burner. See this motor now, Highlander Jeep now, it don't burn to artists. So the thing, I really did surprised for what happened today.
This na the Obuge news wey TMC TV bring come give una. Make una not forget say your PVC na your power and your strength for this year election. From Benin City, A. Carter, Ojay Seli, TMC TV News.